If you're using a Temu coupon code in 2026 but the discount looks small, you're probably leaving money on the table because Temu doesn't just give one flat coupon. Most of the time, the bigger discounts come from how you activate and use the coupon, not just the code itself. So in this video, I'll show you how to unlock bigger Temu discounts step by step. Before we start, I've placed the latest working Temu coupon code right here on screen. You'll also find it in the description and pinned comment, along with a couple of backup codes that are still active. Now here's what most people miss. Why some coupons give tiny discounts. A lot of users do this. Open Temu, add items, enter a coupon at checkout. The result? Maybe $2 or $3 off. That's because Temu often gives different coupon bundles depending on how the code is activated. If you activate it the wrong way, you get the smaller version. Step 1. Activate the coupon before shopping. Instead of opening Temu first, start with the activation link in the description. This step attaches the promotion to your account. When Temu recognizes the promotion early, it often unlocks larger coupon bundles. Step 2. Check your coupon wallet. After activation, open Temu, tap Profile, go to Coupons. Here you'll usually see a bundle like $5 off, $10 off, $20 off, or larger stacked discounts. These apply across multiple purchases. Step 3. Build your cart. Strategically, Temu coupons usually require a minimum purchase amount. For example, $10 off $50, $20 off $100, $30 off larger orders. If your cart is just under the minimum, the coupon won't trigger. So sometimes adding one small item can unlock a much bigger discount. Step 4. Combine deals with coupons. Temu often allows coupons to stack with flash sales, already discounted items, seasonal promotions, limited time offers. This is how people end up getting huge discounts. Not just the coupon alone, but the coupon plus existing deals. Why coupons sometimes fail. If your Temu coupon code doesn't work, it's usually because it wasn't activated first. Your cart didn't meet the minimum, the promotion expired, the coupon wasn't selected at checkout. These small mistakes are why many users think codes are fake. Final takeaway. If you want bigger Temu discounts in 2026, don't just enter a random code. Instead, 1. Activate the coupon first. 2. Check your coupon wallet. 3. Build your cart strategically. 4. Combine coupons with existing deals. 5. Select the coupon at checkout. That's how you unlock the larger discounts. And if it worked for you, comment how much you saved. I always like seeing the results.